Okay, everyone, please stand. Albina, please lead the prayer. Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Joss. Good morning, classmates. Good morning.
Okay, before you take your seats, please arrange your chairs. I'll check your attendance first. Say present if your last name was called. Albina.
Present, sir.
Angko.
Absent, sir.
Anding.
Present, sir.
Balbido.
Present, sir.
Baslig.
Absent.
Bohol.
Present, sir.
Bukan.
Present, sir.
Buladong. Cartagena. Catalan.
Absent, sir.
Corbo.
Absent, sir.
Dunyapon.
Present, sir.
Gambong.
Absent, sir.
Ibanez.
Present.
Bagostales.
Absent.
Mangio.
Absent.
Mapanaw.
Absent, sir.
Pabuaya.
Absent, sir.
Ternito.
Absent, sir.
Pirumingan.
Absent.
Setarios. Sobregari.
Absent, sir.
Cayao. Villamora. Now, I create a classroom rules for us to have an effective environment. Everyone, please read.
Come to class on time. Raise your hand to speak. Listen to your teacher. Use your inside voice. Be nice to each other. Keep your classroom clean.
Okay, please be reminded in our classroom rules. And now, class, who can recall our last topic? Yes, Miss Ibanez.
The introduction of strength training and physical requirements.
Yes, very good. In the introduction of strength training, what are those exercises na nabanggit noong nakaraang klase? Wala na nakaalala? Yes, Miss Bukan?
Push-up teacher.
Yes, sa yun. Sino pa? Sila na? Miss Ibanez again?
Lunges po.
Yes.
Planko, sir.
Yes, those are the exercises that we introduced in our review. But later we will perform that in case if that is our next topic. And now I prepare a video for you to observe, and later you will give some insights about this video. Everyone, please. Okay class, based on the video I present, what are your observations? I will randomly call your name. Albina?
Sir, based on the video, sir, observe ko po na palagi siya ng muscle.
Yes, that's right. And next is Miss Ibanez.
Based on the video po, sir, nakita po namin yung sir na piniperform nila yung mga strength training exercises of teacher. Like
Yes, very good. And now, do you think what are our next topic for this class? Yes, Miss Dunyapon.
I think, sir, it is all about strength training exercise.
That's correct. Very good. And before that, we will read our objective first. Everyone, please read.
At the end of 45 minutes period, the student should be able to identify the basic strength training exercises, share the importance and benefits of engaging in strength training exercises, and perform the basic strength training exercises.
Thank you. And now, when you hear the word strength training, what comes to your mind? Yes, Mr. Saitano. Anong naisip mo pag narinig mo ang salitang strength training?
When you say strength training, sir, in the word, it's a training and strength. I-improve nito ang ating lakas.
Yes, that's correct. Miss Baldido? Ano sir?
When we hear about strength training, sir, it talks about exercise to engage in type of exercise that can help build your muscles, strengthen your muscles, and improve your overall muscles.
Yes, thank you Miss Baldido and Mr. Saitarios. Ang sabi ni Mr. Saitarios, ito ay isang training na papalakas ang ating katawan. And Miss Baldido said it is the training to have our body to have a good posture and body structure. Right? Now, strength training is an exercise designed to increase our muscle strength. It can be use our body weight machine, or medicine balls, and bands or dumbbells. When we say body weight, it is what kind of exercise we do when we say body weight. Yes, Mr. Saitarios again.
Squats, sir.
Yes. Other hand. Yes, Miss Dunyapon.
Sir.
Yeah. Miss Anding.
Lunges, sir.
Yes. Miss Bukan. Do you think it is, it's correct this is a part of strength training, but I ask what are those strength training that we use body weight?
Body weight, sir. Sorry, sir. Plank.
Yes, very good. Your answer are those correct. These are basic strength training exercises. Everyone please read.
Squats, push-ups, lunges, pull-ups, sit-ups.
Okay. We have a first activity that entitled
Guess the picture.
When I present here a picture, raise your hand if you know what kind of exercise is this. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First picture. Miss Balbido.
I believe, sir, squat.
What? Other hand? Do you think what answer is this?
Squats. Squats.
Squats, sir.
Yes, it's correct. It is squats. Everyone, please read.
Strengthen your tendons, bones, and ligaments around the leg muscles.
Okay. Squat is very important, no? Because it strengthens our tendons, bones, and ligaments around the leg muscles. What are tendons? What's tendons? Yes, Dina. What is tendon? For you.
Tendons is it is the muscle who connects the bone to the nerve.
Yes, that's right. Yes, Mr. Aldina. What? Nice try again. But squats and tendons are the connective tissue that connects our muscles and bones. And how about ligaments? Do you have any idea? Ligaments are the connective tissue also that connects bones and bones. Yes, around the muscles. Next, how to perform squats? These are the instructions. Everyone, please stand. Read first the number 1 instruction.
Stack your feet together, lean apart, toes slightly pointed outward.
Perform it, Mr. Secretarios. Yes, follow Mr. Secretarios. Like this. Keep your back straight and chest up. Straight your back, Mr. Secretarios. Okay, that's alright. Next is
Bend your knees and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair.
Perform, everyone. For comfortability, you put your hand in front, like this. Next is go down until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Like this. And last last is push
Through your heels to return to a standing position.
Okay. From instruction number 4 to instruction number 5. Push through your heels to return to standing position. Okay. We will do squats in 5 repetitions only. Count 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Clap your hands, everyone. Very good. Okay. Bumalik ka lang natin. Next picture. Do you think what exercise is this? Sagittarius, Andy, please avoid using gadgets. Miss Albina, what exercise is this? Miss Andy,
Push up, sir.
how about, what's your answer, Miss Banyas?
The same with Andy.
How about you, Miss Bukan?
Push up, sir.
Okay, your answer is correct? Yes, correct. Your answer, push up, is correct. Everyone, please read.
Helps to build muscle and improve strength throughout the upper body. It targets muscles in your chest, arms, and shoulders.
Where you can locate your upper body muscles? This, from chest to shoulder. And why is push-up can improve your chest, arms, and muscles? Because in way of doing push-up, you can use your arm to your chest. And how to do a push-up? These are the instructions. Begin with a plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Everyone, please stand. Kailangan nyo ng lakas upang magawa itong mga exercise na ito. Everyone, please stand. Miss Calvino. Okay, Mr. Secretarius first to demonstrate the positions of push-up. First is begin with the plank position with hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Mr. Secretarius first. Okay. Okay.
Keep your body straight.
Everyone, please read.
Keep your body straight from head to heels. Bend your elbows, lowering your chest toward the floor. Push back up to the starter position.
Okay. Everyone, please follow. Begin with the plank position. Hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Okay. Next, keep your body straight from head to heels. Mr. Alina, please perform properly. Straight, straight. Lower your, like Miss Bukan performing. Okay? Follow Miss Bukan. And lower your elbow, bend your elbow, lowering your chest toward the floor. And push back to the starting position. Okay. Pero nalaman niyo na ano ang tamang perform ng push-up. But mamaya, nalaman niyo yung magawa. Next is, okay, please take your seat. Next is, what exercise please? Lunges. How about you, Mr. Delarios? How about you, Mr. Albina?
Lunge front, sir.
Your answer is correct. Everyone, please read.
Use your lower body muscles, including the glutes, hamstrings, and quadriceps.
Quadriceps. Yes. Where can you locate your lower body muscles?
From
Hips to
toes.
toes. And from the word glutes, who can determine what kind of muscles are glutes? Yes, very good. How many times the glutes muscles have? It have a three class of muscles in glute: the minimus, maximus, and median glutes. And hamstring, where you can locate hamstring? And how about quadriceps? Yes, very good. Everyone please stand to perform lunges. Everyone please read.
Stand upright with feet hip apart.
Okay, perform number 1. Figure.
Stand upright with feet hip apart.
Next, number 2.
Step one foot forward, bending both knees to create a 90-degree angle.
Right.
Keep your
Next.
back straight and your front knee aligned over your ankle.
Next.
Push through your front heel to return the starting position. Push.
Okay. Starting position. Do it in your other feet. Okay, very good. Next is your answer is it's over total body engagement, working the
Legs, core, back, arms, and shoulder.
marami itong engagement sa ating katawan, no? And who can perform planks here?
Bukan, sir.
I think all of you can perform this exercise. And how to perform planking?
Lie face down and place your forearms on the floor. Elbows under shoulders.
Okay, everyone please stand again. Albina?
Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Bukan will demonstrate first the
Yes.
first instruction. Lie face down and place your forearms on the floor, elbows under your shoulder. Okay, observe everyone. Lift your body, keeping it straight from head to heels. That's it. And engage your core and hold the position for the desired time. Okay, it's enough, Miss Bukan. Everyone, Mr. Secretarios, Bohol, and Andy, Adina, Banyas, and Maria. Everyone. 1, 2, 3, plank. 1, 2. Okay, it's enough. Thank you. Clap your hands, everyone. And we have the last one. And this exercise is called.
Sit-ups.
What's your answer, Miss Bukal?
Frances.
How about you, Miss Balbido? The correct answer is
Sit-ups.
sit up. Everyone, please read.
Promote good posture by working your lower back and gluteal muscles.
Okay, everyone, please stand for the last one exercise. Everyone? And now, we will perform the sit-ups. Okay, everyone, just read the first.
Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place hands behind your head or across your
Okay,
chest.
first lungs up first. Everyone, follow the instructions. Okay, you can use this. Okay. Lie on your back with knees bent. Please sit properly, Miss Balbino. Hi. Don't. Yes. Place your hand to your head or across your chest. You can do this or you can do this. Next is engage your core and lift your upper body toward your knees. Okay, bend engage your core to your head to your knees. Everyone, 1, 2, 3. Okay, Miss Andy, you can take your seat. Miss Bukan, please do the sit-up. Please. Please, everyone. Okay. Mr. Tasara. Okay. Okay. Miss Bukan. Okay. We can practice later, but you know how to do that. Okay, next activity is a group discussion. Sa activity na ito, plano ko sanang 2 grupo or 3. Pero, dahil konti lang kayo, gagawin ko itong class discussion. Okay, you can discuss to your group and to your class what are the importance of engaging strength training exercises in your daily life. Okay, give you 3 minutes to discuss. And later I will randomly call up your name. everyone please cooperate because all of you will share your insights. Okay, 1 minute left.
Wait lang, sir. Wala pa po, sir.
All of you guys can understand the question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, time's up. The first to give or to share his or her insights or the importance of engaging strength training with Mr. Alvina. Okay, everyone, please.
Good afternoon, sir. The importance and benefits of strength. The importance and benefits of strength training, sir, is ito ay nagpapatibay ng ating buto at nagpapalakas ng ating katawan. At of course, ito din ay nakaka-beneficio ng ating mental health. It's because engaging to exercise kaya makawala siya stress and anxiety, sir. Yun lang po, sir.
Okay, please stay, Mr. Alvina. Follow-up question. Ano ang kahalaga nito sa iyong buhay or sa iyong mga experience?
As a dancer, sir, palagi ko namin ito ginagawa, magagawa ng mga strength training because ito ay sinabi ko kanina po, ito ay napapabilirin mo ito at nagpapakasinabi ko. Yun lang po.
Thank you, Mr. Alvina.
Yes, sir.
Next is Miss Bukan.
Strength training exercise provides us various benefits. For example, in our physical health, it improves our posture, manage our weight, and then also reduce risk of diseases, and also, sir, in our social benefits, it can improve our mood to socialize with people, and also in our mental, it reduces when we expose or engage in this exercise training, if our body produces hormones which can relieve stress, and also it can help us to forget our problems, sir. For your follow-up question, sir, it helps me, sir, to work my daily life activities to survive. Of course, for example, if I would do some activities, it can help me to have strength, and also, sir, of course, to stay fit and healthy.
Yes, thank you. The first and the second who share their insight and what are the importance of strength training like Mr. Aldina said, his experience is about he, he is a dancer, and this training can help him to perform his dance accurately and to build his body strength. And Miss Bukan said it very important daw na ang strength training ay maraming impact sa ating katawan, no? At nakaka-good ng ating mood and nakaka-improve ng ating daily lifestyle. And next is Miss Anding.
Sir, strength training, the importance of engaging strength training in our daily lives, especially as physical students, sir, as what they said, it improves your muscles, your bones, your mood, and your physical health also.
Follow-up question. Same as Mr. Alvina and Miss Bukan.
As a physical education student, sir, it is very important for us to engage in different strength training exercises because it helps us to improve our muscles and bones for us to do different activities in our subjects also in our lives.
Okay, thank you. Next is Mr. Saitaris. No other Mr.
The benefits, sir, is to support healthy aging, sir. First is prevent muscle loss, improves balance, and promote longevity. For the prevent muscle loss, sir, is counter the effects of di ba, sir, kung mag-aging na ka, sir, kasagaran yung masakit ka, sir. Mag-improve ka sa strength training, sir, ng exercises. And ma-improve po, na madugay po sa pag-sustain ng muscle, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Very good. According to Miss Anding, para sa kanya, ang pag-engage ng strength training ay nakakatulong pa sa physical education student na magampanan yung mga gawain bilang estudyante. At ang kay Mr. Saitarius naman, ay ang kanyang sagot niya ay para maiwasan ng mga mabilising pagtanda at para maiwasan ng mga sakit-sakit ng katawan. Next is Miss Balbido.
The importance of strength training exercise service. It's not just about the physical, but also it can remove our mental, emotional, social aspect of our lives. And physical, it can improve our core muscles, our lower muscles, our abdominal muscles, sir. And for the mental, it can reduce the stress, improve your mood, and in health, it can reduce the risk of any chronic diseases for us to stay healthy and positive. And for us, for me, sir, based on my experience, not so long ago, we engaged into the kind of exercises like sit-ups, push-ups, in order for us to condition our body, to prepare our body when we engage into the proper training of our activities.
Thank you. Miss Banyas.
And I read this in my book.
Yes.
So the benefits of strength training exercise for teachers, sir, is that it can improve our physical body for teacher. Then it can also help us to reduce the injury for teacher. And teacher, sir, in my daily life as a simpleng tao sa mundong ito, the importance of the strength training exercises was it helps me to reduce the risk of injury.
Okay. For Miss Dorvido, she said that strength training can help us for improvement of our mental, body, and overall body. And from Miss Ibanez, she said that strength training can help her in her daily life because of the strength is very useful in all of us, no? If we don't have strength, we're not here today. And lastly, Miss Bohol.
So, tama yung mga sinabi nila na benefits ng strength training in life. Para rin sa akin, yung strength training, if nag-engage ka ng mga exercises ng strength training, it can boost your confidence also because as a physical education student, mas gusto ko pang lumakas yung muscles ko, yung bones ko, para mas marunong na ako mag-perform ng different activities, lalo na sa ating program. And also, in my daily life, it is very important to engage strength training exercises kasi as sa aming bahay, wala kaming lalaking kapatid. So, my father only, kami yung inuutusan. Tapos, meron mga utos na kailangan talaga ng strength training, which is very important and very helpful for us.
Okay, very good. Miss Bohol said that based on her experience, and it's correct, no? It's very important because strength is, you can use it every time. But your answers are all correct. Now, this is the benefits of strength training. Please read the first stanza.
Reduces body fat and increases lean body mass.
Okay, who can give insights about the first benefits? Mr. Secretary.
Reduces when we do strength training, sir, it can reduce our body fat because when we are working, sir, lalabas ang ating mga calories, which is yun mula sa ating fats. That's why reduce yung fats natin. Kapag gagawin natin yan daily, mag-build ang ating muscles, and yes.
Yes, correct. When you say lean body mass, it is our body without fat. No? Kung ano makita natin sa ating katawan na walang mga taba-taba. Next is, everyone to switch house.
Lean bones, dense and strong. Increases energy levels. It helps you to maintain correct posture. Increases metabolism and helps you maintain weight.
Naintindihan ba natin lahat ito?
Yes, sir!
Okay. And now, we have a next activity entitled
Let's get physical!
in this activity, by group din sana ito, no? Kaso, konti lang kayo ngayon. At dahil konti lang kayo, gagawin natin itong one group, and ito ay kayong lahat. And ang gagawin nyo ay magpe-perform kayo ng ipe-perform nyo yung ilang exercise yun?
Tatlo.
What are those 5 exercises?
Squats,
lunges. Okay, very good. And kailangan nyo yung mag-perform sa loob ng 3 minutes. Okay na kahit walang workout, walang stretching. Okay na yan kasi naka-warm-up and stretching na kayo kanina. Sa ating schedule. Ang ating criteria is mayroong strength training, teamwork, control and stability, effort and endurance. The excellent score is 5 and the lowest score is 2, which is needs improvement. Ang ating excellent is sa strength training is exercise are performed with excellent form. And sa needs improvement naman, strength exercises are fully executed with a little coordination or adherence to form. Ang sa teamwork is group work exceptionally well together and maintaining a consistent pace. And the lowest score is the lack of cooperation or synchronization impacts the overall performance. And the control and stability, it is the exhibits the excellent control and stability during the movements like yung mga planks, kailangan control ang katawan. At lack stability with frequent loss of balance ang sa needs improvement. And the last is effort and endurance. Ang excellent is maintains consistent effort and complete repetition. Yung nakumpleto nyo lahat ang mga repetition at lowest score needs improvement is lack of effort and struggle to complete the repetition. And I give you 3 minutes to perform and 2 minutes na lang for presentation. Everyone? Okay, you can start your practice now.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Your timer starts now. Practice.
Lunch na 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1
7,
minute
8, 7, 6, 5.
Go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, come. Okay. I'm out. Okay, sino yung gusto mag-connect na?
Ano yun? Picture. What is your identity? Kaya sa mga video ay ako hindi lang ba?
Okay, everyone.
Hindi matapos.
Let's go, everyone.
Everyone, correct.
Ayan.
Tapos na.
Okay. Thank you. Everyone, clap your hands. Now, we'll give you your feedback and your score. Okay, we'll give you your score. For strength training, for strength training, I give you 4/5 because all of you that perform all of exercise but not correctly perform, no? You still perform but not properly perform. And for the teamwork, I give you 4 points also because all of you that I observed that all of you that perform the exercise. The next is control and stability. I give you 3 points because some of your classmates struggle to perform or balance the several exercises. And lastly, the effort and endurance, I also give you a 4 points because all of you demonstrate good effort in completing the most of competitions. And 4 plus 4,
8
plus 3,
11
plus 4,
15.
Okay, got 15 points. Okay, what are those 5 basic strength training exercise?
Squats, push-ups, lunge, lunges, sit-ups.
Okay, what are the importance of those?
Help to improve our
Reduce body fat and have a lean body mass.
dense and strong bones. Improve energy level. Improve posture, sir.
Okay, thank you. Very good. All of your answers are correct. And now we have a short quiz. I will give you this paper book. The question is, choose the correct answer in the box and write it on the line provided before the number. Okay? These are the possible answers. Okay, start answering.
Dana po, sir.
Dana, sir. Okay. Tapos na bang lahat?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pasok pa lang yung class. Okay, for your assignment, you will create a strength training routine using 3 to 4 exercises you learned in class. Then, take a video while performing the exercise and upload it to YouTube. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone please stand. Goodbye class.
Goodbye.